Assalamu alaikum to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. Yesterday I discussed the concept of utility, cardinal utility and ordinal utility. Yes, how utility is measured. Now today I will discuss total utility, total utility and marginal utility. Marginal utility. These are the two concepts related to this topic. First one, total utility. Total utility. What we call total utility? Yes, for example, if consumers, for example, yes, 5 oranges, and with 5 oranges he consumes 2 bananas. 2 bananas. Utility derived from 5 oranges. For example, it gives him utility certification $2. Yes, $2. And by consuming 2 bananas, it gives him, for example, $4. $4 of certification. What we call totality? Totality we have to sum up both $2 plus $4. That will be equal to $6. This we call total utility. Means by consuming both combination of 5 oranges, 2 bananas, what utility is derived by consumer by consuming these two combinations, that we call total utility. The sum of these utilities derived from 5 oranges and 2 bananas, that we call total utility. Are you right? It is the sum of utilities sum of utilities derived by an individual or consumer, we can say individual, by consuming all units of commodity. All units of commodity. All units of commodity. That we call total utility. For example, if consumer consumes 2 units of a commodity. 2 units of a commodity. 2 units of a commodity. Same example as I put forward, 2 units of commodity. For example, 2 oranges plus 4 bananas. 4 bananas. Utility derived from the first 2 oranges. It provides him $2. For example, it provides him $2, or yes, $2. $2 of utility. Wants utility. 4 bananas provide him $6. $6 of certification. Yes. Then $6. Then what we call total utility? Total utility. Total utility will be $2 plus $6. that will be equal to 8 utility. This we call total utility. Means by consuming both 2 oranges plus 4 bananas, what utility consumer get by consuming 2 oranges plus 4 bananas? When we sum up their utilities derived by an individual, that utility we call total utility. This we call total utility. Now, second one, yes, marginal utility. Marginal utility. What we call marginal utility. Marginal utility. Marginal utility. Marginal utility. Marginal utility means, for example, if consumer consumes for example 10 units, 10 units gives him utility equal to 100 utils. 100 utils. Utils are units. And it's the concept of Marshall units. By consuming additional 11th unit, it provides him 105 utils. 105 utils are units. Now, what is the marginal utility? Marginal utility of X. That will be equal to 100. Yes, that will be equal to 105 minus 105 minus 100. Means initial minus 105. That will be equal to 5 utils. That is equal to 5 utils. This we call marginal utility. And utility derived from 10 utils, that is equal to 100 utils by consuming additional unit, 11th unit, that is 105. That what we call marginal unit, that means 105 minus 100, that is equal to 5 utils. This is by consuming 11th unit. 11th unit gives him equal to 5 utils. This we call marginal utility. I will write marginal utility refers to marginal utility refers to utility when consumer consumes an additional unit of a commodity. Additional unit of a commodity. As I tell you, for example, if consumer consumes 10 units of commodity, that provides him or yields him utility equal to 100 units, 100 utils, 100 utils. By consuming additional unit means 11th unit, it yields him certification. It yields him certification, yields him utility certification utility specification equal to 105 US U dollars. 105 U dollars. 11th U dollars give him 105 U dollars. Then what is the marginal utility? Will be equal to, marginal utility will be equal to, that will be equal to marginal utility of, you write, or x, you write marginal utility of x, that will be equal to total utility of n minus total utility of n minus 1, that will be equal to 105 minus 100, that will be equal to 5 U dollars. 5 U dollars. This we call marginal utility. Means 105 minus 100, total utility n, total utility is 105 minus total utility n minus 1, that is 100. We get additional unit, 11th unit providing 5 U dollars. As 10 by consuming 10 units, it provides 100. By consuming 11th unit, it provides 105. That means 5 U dollars are additional. Now, I will draw the graph as per the concept is. This, so units, here we write total utility, here we write marginal utility. Marginal utility will be equal to total utility of n minus total utility of n minus 1. Here we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I will write 100, 190, 270, 340, 400. This we call total utility. Now we have to calculate marginal utility. First, 100. Basically, marginal utility means change. 100, here is no variable from which we subtract, we get change. 100 minus 0, that will be equal to 100. And second, 190. 190 minus 100, that equal to 90. Similarly, 270 minus 190, that will be equal to 80. Similarly, 340 minus 270, that will be equal to 60. Similarly, 400 minus 340, that will be equal to 70. Here is 60. Now, as per the given information, we have to draw the graph. I will show. This is y-axis, this is 0, this is x. Here we will write total utility, variables of total utility. Here we write marginal. Yes. Now, total as 400, total utility is 400. Then we will write, here I write 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 400, 400. Now below I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now as per the information I will draw 100 first. Here is 100, 190, 270, 340, 400. First total utility is 100. I will draw 100. Then 190. Here will be Yes, here will be 190. Then 270. Here will be 270. Then 340. Here will be here is 350. Here will be 340. Then 400. Add 5. I draw. Here is 400. Now I will join. This we call total utility. By joining these points, we get total utility curve. Now marginal utility. Marginal utility is 100. This is 100 marginal utility. Then it is 90. 90 will be here. Then 80. 80 will be here. Then 70. 70 will be here. Then 60. 60 will be here. Now I will join. This is a marginal utility curve. This is the total utility curve. This is a marginal utility curve. Yes. Is on the basis of concepts of total utility and marginal utility, I draw the graph as per the given information. I think it is enough for today. In next lecture, I will take the concept of law of diminishing marginal utility. Till that time, you have to wait and watch. I will be returned back very soon. Hope for the best. Take care. Thanks. Have a nice day.